guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a news app called Appy Geek. It's by a developer called News Republic, and now News Republic makes a few apps similar to Appy Geek, but they're for different kinds of news, like video games and general news as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. Just going to open up the app. So basically how Appy Geek works is you set up keywords like Google I/O, iOS, iPad, Nexus, and then using their providers, they'll search for keywords within articles that the providers make. So if we open up Nexus, then we'll only get articles from people who have made articles about Nexuses. So if we look right here, we got Huawei Nexus with oblong camera. It's an article by Phone Dog, which I assume is one of their providers. So first you get a really simple view of, well, I guess this isn't a great example. Let me look for something else. Let's go on internet and open up Slack leans on companies like Box and Nuzzle. So you get basically a text view of everything that's in the article. You got your ads on the bottom. You can read the article through your web browser, which is also nice. You can share it through some of these pre-shareable ones, and you also have a nice sharing floating action button, which you can use to share to whatever you want. The app didn't look great before. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't like awesome, and now it looks a lot better because they did add material design guidelines, which is really cool. So also, once you're in the article, it'll add all of your embedded images into this little tappable area where you can just kind of slide through them. You can also download the pictures, which I haven't really done before, but if you want to, I guess. Let's just try it out. There we go. It'll also save the article. So if you go into this menu, you can have it speak the text back to you. You can block the provider if you don't like them. Change the font size of the articles, and change a few settings. For example, if you wanted to save the article to show this kind of topic. And also you have the option for night mode. I love it when they have night mode in apps because it really helps with my Nexus 6's AMOLED screen, but that's a personal preference. So yeah, as you can see, it's just a giant list of articles under whatever topic I have, and if I want to add another topic, I just got to go to this floating action button, click it, and add topics for whatever I want. Let's see, international, let's add a top stories in Italy. I don't know why. Let's do that. If we tap it open, well, I guess we got to go back to our home screen for that. Now another interesting feature that Appy Geek has is, I think it's a swipe from the bottom. Yep, here we go. You can open up your news digest, which basically looks how at basically like you're viewing, like what kind of things you like seeing, and then provides you with articles that it thinks you'd be interested in. I assume based off things like keywords, but I'm not sure. So yeah, this is obviously an article that I might be interested in. Just in time for the iPhone 6s, leaked photos appear to show HTC's blatant iPhone 6 ripoff. I don't know if I believe that. I'm not a huge fan of BGR. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Oh well. But yeah, that's it right there. So here we got, if you click up this little button, you get a cool little bubble full of all the keywords that would apply to this article. So iPhone 6, if you're looking at Samsung, most wanted, social media, whatever, that would come up. So yeah, I'm actually a really huge fan of Appy Geek. I've been using it since the first time I got a phone that could use it. Basically how, when I get a new phone, what I do is install my launcher, install a few of my apps, and then Appy Geek is one of those. It just comes on right away because it's really helpful in keeping up with, important news and things I want to keep track of. If you look at this little emoticon thing here, you can also rate not rate articles, but show your emotion about an article. There's things like these little emotions. So people seem annoyed about this, so I'm going to say angry, I guess. This seems annoying, I guess. Yeah. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to rate the app 5 stars. Yeah, give it a +1. If I can, rate it 5 stars. There we go. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the app and download it yourself. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Check out our Twitter and our website at masalatech.com. And remember to always keep things spicy.